if you create content for YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok, then you need a good lighting setup. So ring light is best option for lighting because you can control brightness and also color temperature. So today in this video I'm going to talk about this 14-inch ring light. So this is Anis Tariq. Welcome back to another video. If you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm doing unboxing and it's come with two different box. So I'm opening one by one. First of all, I just check out this. So it ring feel light and it's showing three different color temperature it support, and this picture of ring light, and this is the model BD360 and nothing else. And here is some basic informations about power, voltage, nothing else. So I just open. As you can see, ring light itself and ball head. So you can adjust side, and quality is good, not that bad. And a mobile clamp, then a mobile clamp, what I say, stick like that. So it attaches to here, so like that. So yeah, it's ready to use. Then final one is ring light itself. So it is 14-inch ring light and very simple. So you can mount one mount here, and so you can mount your phone, and it's very adjustable. And here is a controller. You can increase brightness or decrease here, and also change mode button, color temperature, and this is a power button. So they do not provide a power adapter, so you need to use your existing power adapter. Then another box, so I just open here. It is a stand for lighting. So this stand for this ring light. So it is not that good, but you can use for your daily basis. So it has two adjustable stand here, so you can increase height up to 8 foot. So I'm set up this. First of all, attach ball head here very tightly, then adjust your mount. Then here is the setup done, and I'm connecting to the power. So this controller blew up, then just power on, and you can change color temperature, three different color temperature here. So then you can increase or decrease brightness, this last, and you can increase 10 level of brightness. So I turn it off all my room lights. So then I turn on green light. So this is the full level of brightness. So I'm decreasing brightness one by one, so you can understand this lighting brightness. So this is the lowest one, and I can change light temperature. This is the white, and it is what I call it, very warm. So I can increase brightness level one by one. So this is the top level. So you can change light temperature or color temperature. So this is the bright and one by one. So I bought it from local market. I will provide Amazon link on my description. So you can buy from here. So this is very cheapest ring light, and you can use for your basic or intermediate level content. I know market has a more expensive and good lighting, but so it is good enough for you. So you can use a makeup video or beauty video. You can make your TikTok video. So I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If this video is helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.